transportation.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart ESL Path, your place to learn English the smart and easy way.
Our topic today is transportation. Listen and repeat after me to learn new words about transportation.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to support our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Truck. It's a truck. Repeat after me. Truck. Scooter. It's a scooter. Repeat after me. Scooter. Bus. Here comes a bus. Repeat after me. Bus. Minibus. It's a minibus. Repeat after me. Minibus. School bus. Look, a school bus. Repeat after me. School bus. Helicopter. It's a helicopter. Repeat after me. Helicopter. Bicycle. This is a bicycle. Repeat after me. Bicycle. Ambulance. It's an ambulance. Repeat after me. Ambulance. Police car. That's a police car. Repeat after me. Police car. Private car. It's a private car. Repeat after me. Private car. Mini Cooper. It's a Mini Cooper. Repeat after me. Mini Cooper. Roadster. This is a roadster. Repeat after me. Roadster. Hatchback car. It's a hatchback car. Repeat after me. Hatchback car. Train. Here comes a train. Repeat after me. Train. Motorcycle. It's a motorcycle. Repeat after me. Motorcycle. Van. That's a van. Repeat after me. Van. Caravan. It's a caravan. Repeat after me. Caravan. Taxi. It's a taxi. Repeat after me. Taxi. Airplane. Look, an airplane. Repeat after me. Airplane. Cable car. It's a cable car. Repeat after me. Cable car. Subway. It's the subway. Repeat after me. Subway. Tram. Here comes a tram. Repeat after me. Tram. Jeep. It's a jeep. Repeat after me. Jeep. Ship. That's a ship. Repeat after me. Ship. Rowboat. It's a rowboat. Repeat after me. Rowboat. Sailing boat. It's a sailing boat. Repeat after me. Sailing boat. Yacht. This is a yacht. Can you say it? Yacht. Canoe. It's a canoe. Can you say it? Canoe. Kayak. Here's a kayak. Your turn. Kayak.
Thank you for watching.
Comment below what you have learned today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart ESL Path for more daily English practice.